Next demonstration will be casting the concrete cylinder, keeping in mind that the purpose of this test is checking consistency and also through variability of the material. We'll have a design strength. We'll be casting in a 4-inch cylindrical mold. Again, 3 lifts, consolidating with 25 rods on each lift. For this portion of the test, you won't use the 5/8 inch rod, you'll be using the 3/8 inch rod. So we'll take our material. In lab, I'm fine with you reusing your slump test. What I would like you to do is put it back into the material and remix it. For the ease of demonstration, I'm just going to sample straight from the slump test that we previously ran. Take our material, fill it with our scoop. Then we'll rod 25 times. You want to be careful in your rodding that you don't impact the base of the cylinder mold itself. It could potentially damage and allow water to leak out of the mold and lower your strength. "25 rods, again, across the entire cross-sectional surface. Once you're done with that, we want to make sure that we fill the voids left by our rod. So we tap with our open hand 5 times around the entire surface. We'll fill our second lift. Complete consolidation effort again, 25 rods across the entire surface area. Tap once more with our open hand. For this layer, we'll slightly overfill. We want to make sure that as we're consolidating, we have sufficient material to fill the entire mold itself, and then we'll screed off when finished. So 25 more rods. Five times with our hand. And then we can make a screeded surface. We want to make as plain of a surface and as perpendicular to the walls of the cylinder mold itself to make as close to a cylindrical specimen as we can. The test method does allow us to saw cut ends and do other treatments for the purposes of testing. We can cap the cylinders with sulfur, we can use an unbonded cap. When you finish, make sure that your cap is completely attached to the cylinder mold itself. You'll need to hear 2 clicks. The first click gets it into place on the mold, the second makes the seal. If you don't have a complete seal, what's going to happen is as the concrete is hardening, it's going to push out and expand and turn your cylinder into an oval. And that has the potential to lower your strength during testing. This will complete casting the cylindrical specimen